What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play Save Your Tears by The Weeknd on the good old uke. As always, with every ukulele tutorial, I will include the skip to section right here where you can skip to either the chords, the chord progression, or the strumming for this song if you don't want to sit through an entire 10-minute video. But if you did watch the entire video, I'd love you forever. Also, what I do want to know is that the full ukulele play along for this song, which is the lyrics and chords on screen while I strum and sing the entire song, is now live on my YouTube channel. I'll link it in the description below. Also link it in the top of the comments. Make sure to check out that video. After you learn the chords, the strumming, and the chord progression, then you can go over to that video and play along with me. It's definitely an awesome time, so definitely go check it out. Also, what I do want to know is that the full downloadable PDF chord sheet for the song, which is the full lyrics and the chords right above the word, that will be available for download on Patreon. So if you want to go check that out, link will be in the description below. It's a monthly subscription service, and I would love if you definitely would check it out. Again, that will be linked below. But let's go ahead and learn the chords that we need for this song coming up next. All right, so let's go ahead and learn these 6 chords. As always, I will have a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see and then also have me talk you through it. So with that being said, the first chord that we need is the A minor chord, and how we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your middle finger and you're gonna place your middle finger on the top string, which is the 4th string, 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the C chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place your ring finger on the 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the D minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret, then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and then finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. Awesome. The next chord that we need is the E minor chord, and how I always say it looks like a staircase going down. How we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 3rd string, 4th fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the F chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and place it on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. Perfect. And last but not least is the G chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And then finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. And there you have it. Alright, so those are the 6 chords that we need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and then once the chords sound crisp and clean, press play, and now let's talk about the chord progression that we're going to use throughout the entire song, coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's learn about the chord progression that we're going to use throughout the entire song. So for majority of the song, it's going to be C, A minor, E minor, and then G. So that is going to be the chord progression for like 95% of the song. Again, it's just going to be C, A minor, E minor, and then G. And then there's gonna be a couple sections in this song. It goes, take me back, 'cause I wanna stay. So that part, it's gonna be D minor, A minor, F, and then G. So you're gonna see that out twice in a couple of the sections. Again, for majority of the song, chord progression C, A minor, E minor, and then G. And then you repeat, and then you're gonna get to a point where it goes D minor, A minor, F, and then G. All right, so that was the chord progression that we're gonna use throughout the entire song. Now let's talk about how we're gonna play the song with the strumming. I'm gonna teach you 3 different ways you can play this song. The first way is gonna be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, don't add a strumming. I just started playing a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago. Don't add strumming right now, I got you. So the first way we're gonna play this song is just going to be with a down strum. And you're gonna strum down with this little meaty portion of your thumb right here, and you're just gonna glide over all 4 strings. So if we add the chord progression that we just learned, C, A minor, E minor, and then G. So you're just gonna strum down as soon as you see a new chord change. And again, the full chord sheet that you can download for yourself will be on Patreon, link below. But again, just strum down and it'll sound just as amazing. It's just going to be a down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So again, you're just gonna do the down, up 4 times. So if you do it faster, and then you're gonna go to the next chord. And then E minor. Again, you're just gonna do down, up 4 times. And the third way is gonna be with a chuck. So if you wanna add a little bit more spice into the mix with your strumming, you can do, I'm gonna do a C chord. It's gonna be down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up. So let's do that one more time. I have the C chord down in 3, 2, 1. And then you go to A minor, E minor, and then G. And if you're like, Ricky, how do you chuck? Basically what all you're doing is you're gonna be strumming the chords with your pointer finger, you're gonna strumming them down, and then you're gonna be muting all 4 strings, you're gonna be pressing down on your uke. I like to press down with this part right here, this sort of meaty portion. And again, you strum down and then just mute. Just press down on your uke as soon as you strum down all 4 strings. And then just press down. And this might take a little bit of practice, but as soon as you get it, it'll add a little bit more of a variation into your strumming. Sound just as amazing. All right, so we learned the chords, the chord progression, and the 3 different ways you can play this song. Congratulations, you now know how to play Save Your Tears by The Weeknd on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube, if you haven't already. I also do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to you. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching it. I truly can't thank you enough. I know there's a billion, gajillion, trillion videos they can watch here on YouTube, and you decided to click and watch this one, so thank you so much for that. Also, if you just have recently subscribed, welcome to the Uke Fam, the best Uke Fam on the YouTubes, in my opinion. We also do go live on this channel twice a week. I'll leave the full schedule in the description below. Make sure to check out our live streams on this channel. We have fun, we play games, we get to know each other, we chat, and we also do a bunch of giveaways. There's gonna be a few coming up, so make sure to check out those live streams. Again, that whole live streaming schedule will be in the description below. But yeah, thank you so much for joining this channel. I truly can't thank you enough. And finally, make sure to open the description below for links to everything from the uke that I was playing, which is the Enya Nova U in red. It's an absolutely amazing uke and also super affordable. It's well under $100. I think it's in $75 to $80 range. So definitely go check that out. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to go check it out. It comes with an awesome gig bag and all the uke accessories that you can think of. And again, that will be linked in the description below. Also, we do have links to the merch if you do want to support this channel and get some merch. This is the official Uke Fam hoodie, but we also do have the Potato Squad merch. That will be linked down below. And finally, links to all of my socials. They're just going to be at Ricky Somborn for TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and Patreon. So if you want to join me on any of those social media platforms, links to @ will be below, or just go to @Ricky Somborn for pretty much anything and you'll find me. So make sure to say hi, send me a DM, message where you came from. Also, if you do learn any of the songs through the tutorials, play-alongs, or if you get some merch and you want to rock some on the Instagram, make sure to tag me or post me, or tag me and post me in these stories. I'm always resharing, retagging you guys on my socials. So again, thank you so much for all the support. That is it from me. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.